What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on this crypto called Parsiq, also known as Prq, which has pumped up over 70% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at over 16 cents in value. So we're going to be looking at why is the crypto pumping so much. Is now the time to buy it? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it and take out your profits? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher over the coming days, weeks, months? And overall in 2024, we're going to be looking at what is expected, how high can it go, how low can it go, and is it a crypto worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. And as you guys can see, we are at a very critical stage right now. We are at its resistance target at nearly 17 cents. So it has two choices right now, either to resist and drop back into the red zone, or to break out and head into the green zone, heading over 20 cents. But we will get to this later on in the video. So for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Parsiq, which is here in purple at 11 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in green at over 16 cents, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected from Parsiq over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially by midday to tomorrow afternoon, the crypto should be trading at a lower value than where it is at the moment. I'm expecting it to drop down to just below 14 cents in value. Again, does not mean that it's not going to pump anymore from now on. Of course, it is likely to pump up to about 18 to 19 cents over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to drop back down in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon, down to about 14 cents in value is what I'm expecting. Reason for the drop is it's taken a little bit of a major pump over the last 24 hours. So in my opinion, it is due for a little bit of a step back in value, dropping just below 14 cents. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're looking a little bit skeptical here. We've got the blue line looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, the orange line is looking quite steep due to the fact that it has been pumping quite a bit, meaning it is not realistic. So over the next 7 to 8 days, so towards the end of next week, guys, I'm expecting Parsiq to be trading at a lower value than where it is at the moment, potentially dropping down to around 10 cents is what I'm expecting it to have dropped down to over the next 7 to 8 days. Again, it doesn't mean it's going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. It is likely to hit the odd green day in between as well, but unfortunately the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. Main reason is it's pumped up quite a bit, meaning it is overvalued. As you guys saw earlier on in the video, it was trading way above the average value, the SMA indicator. So yes, it is overvalued and it is likely to take a little step back over the coming days, dropping down to just above 10 cents in value is what I'm expecting from Parsiq over the next week or so. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? So essentially over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys, mid to late February and early March 2024, I'm expecting Parsiq to have gone for an overall minimal increase in value. As you guys can see, the blue and the orange line are both heading towards the bullish direction, but the blue line is looking quite steep, meaning it's not realistic. However, by the end of Q1 of this year, so essentially by the end of March, I'm expecting Parsiq to be trading around at 25 cents in value, or potentially slightly higher than that, of course depending on how the crypto market performs, and to be specific, how Bitcoin performs, because that drives the market in a positive and negative direction. But yes, I know over the last 2 to 3 days Bitcoin has taken quite of a dip, guys, over 10% down, as it was trading at $48,000 about a couple of days ago, before it took a little bit of a dip, which it did have a negative impact on the crypto market. But I'm expecting it to slowly recover over the coming weeks, and by the end of Jan it should be trading around $46,000 to $47,000. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are trading at the resistance level here, and it is already starting to drop back down into the red zone. Yes, I'm expecting it to resist and drop back into the red zone over the next couple of days and weeks as well, before it starts to pump back up in value by early to mid February, and then resist here and then break out into the green zone by late February, early March, heading over 20 cents in value, potentially 25 cents by March is what I'm expecting at the moment. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a huge amount, guys, 1,800%, making it $17 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Parsiq, and it is one of the top gainers, or the top gainer in the last 24 hours, meaning it is getting a lot of attention right now from both buyers and sellers point of view, and a lot more people have started to trade the crypto as it is getting a lot of traction. So it is performing quite well, and the trading volume is likely to go up even higher over the coming hours as more and more people will start to trade the crypto. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on this crypto. So hitting the dollar mark, is it possible in 2024? Yes, it is, depending on how the crypto market performs, and even if it does, it is likely to be towards the very end of this year or early next year is when I'm expecting the crypto to be hitting the dollar mark. However, you guys know how volatile the crypto market is. This could go on over the next couple of years if there is a potential crash and so on. But if you guys want regular updates on Parsiq, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'd be more than happy to keep you guys updated on a regular basis on this crypto. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.